yellow woodpecker. Good job for Hatesai, Puffy, and Yumi, and you do not love them. The three of you aren't grounded for life. The three of you can do whatever we want.
What were you thinking? Yep, you took the words right out of my mouth, Lucky. Thank you, Boris. Duke, would you do the honors? Gladly. I see where this is going. And now you're starting to bring up the past like the time Henry's minions kidnapped you, and then you have to get so hot-headed that you have to chase him out of the house just so you can be proud that he's out of your hair?
It was my fault, Daylight. We hate the yellow woodpecker because we do not love them.
Will our music be here someday? Forgotten and gathering dust?
I knew it! You get the best of you! That was a very terrible thing you did. And as for you, you should have called Clyde on her sooner. You two should be ashamed of yourselves. You two always seem to bungle things.
We have to deal with this nutball organ grinder once and for all.
Day after day after day until after giving up his life of crime, and...
Yeah, no matter how scared we are. Yeah, he can only torture and dismember us and cause us incredible pain.
You made my cereal soggy! One was because you wanted to make me clean up my mess over there, which I didn't really want to. And two, you made me die on my game, so I had to yell at you! Why?
Stay out of this, or we will kill
Do you guys have a problem? Shut up! You keep talking like that, and I'll push you out the window all by myself! Whoa!
Yeah, right. Wait, what are you doing? No, I can't leave now! This is not a good time! And stay out! Yeah! Oh, my heroes! I knew you could do it. Oh, shucks.